This is Lily. She is 13 years old. Lily loves to draw and paint. She is very talented. Talented means having natural skill at something. Every day after school, Lily goes to her room and paints. She paints beautiful landscapes. She paints colorful flowers. She paints people and animals. Her paintings are amazing. But Lily has a secret. Nobody knows about her talent. Not her classmates, not her teachers. Only her family knows. Lily keeps all her paintings hidden in her closet. One day, Lily's art teacher announces a big art competition. The competition is open to all students. The winner will have their painting displayed in the city art gallery. It is a great opportunity. Lily's best friend, Emma, gets very excited. Emma says, "Lily, you should enter. You are so good at painting." But Lily's face turns pale. She shakes her head quickly. She says, No, I cannot do that." Emma looks confused. She asks, "Why not? Your paintings are beautiful." Lily looks down. She says quietly, "What if people don't like my work? What if I fail? What if everyone laughs at me?" Emma tries to encourage her, but Lily refuses. She is too afraid. That night, Lily cannot sleep. She thinks about the competition. Part of her wants to enter, but fear stops her. Lily imagines the worst. She imagines showing her painting and everyone laughing. She imagines people saying her art is terrible. She imagines failing in front of everyone. These thoughts make her stomach hurt. She decides not to enter the competition. It feels safer to hide her talent than to risk failure. The next day, Emma enters the competition. Many other students enter too. But Lily stays quiet. She does not sign up. 2 weeks later, the school holds an art exhibition. All the competition entries are displayed in the school hall. Students and parents walk around looking at the paintings. Lily walks through the exhibition with her mother. She sees all the paintings. Some are good, some are not so good. But everyone is proud. The young artists stand next to their work, smiling and talking to visitors. Emma's painting is there too. It shows a sunset over the ocean. It is beautiful. People stop to admire it. Emma glows with pride. Lily's mother notices her daughter's sad face. She asks, "What is wrong, Lily?" Lily says, "I wish I had been brave enough to enter." Her mother squeezes her hand gently. She says, "It is not too late to be brave, sweetheart." That evening, Lily sits with her father in the garden. She tells him about her fear. She says, "Dad, I am so afraid of failing. What if people think my art is bad?" Her father is quiet for a moment. Then he says, "Lily, let me tell you something important. Everyone who has ever succeeded has also failed many times." He continues, "Do you know how many times Thomas Edison failed before he invented the light bulb? Thousands of times. But he did not give up." Lily listens carefully. Her father says, "Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. You only truly fail when you do not try at all." He looks at her with kind eyes. He says, "The biggest risk is not taking any risk. If you never try, you will never know what you could achieve." Lily feels something shift inside her heart. Her father's words make sense. She has been so afraid of failing that she never gave herself a chance to succeed. The next day, Lily goes to her art teacher. She asks, "Is it too late to enter a painting?" The teacher smiles warmly. She says, "The official competition is over, but we are having another exhibition next month. You can enter that one." Lily takes a deep breath. She says, "Yes, I want to enter." For the next 3 weeks, Lily works on a special painting. She paints a girl standing at the edge of a cliff, ready to jump into the ocean below. The painting represents taking a leap of faith. It represents being brave. Lily pours her heart into the painting. She is still nervous, but she keeps working. The day of the exhibition arrives. Lily's painting hangs on the wall. Her heart beats fast as people walk by and look at it. Some people stop and stare. Some people smile. Some people move on quickly. Lily's hands shake. She wants to run away. Then, an elderly woman stops in front of Lily's painting. She stares at it for a long time. Then she turns to Lily and says, "Did you paint this?" Lily nods nervously. The woman smiles. She says, "This is extraordinary. The emotion in this painting is powerful. You have real talent, young lady." Lily's eyes fill with tears, happy tears. Someone appreciates her work. But more importantly, she tried. She faced her fear, and she did not fail. Even if no one had liked her painting, she would still feel proud because she was brave enough to try. From that day on, Lily continues to share her art. Sometimes people love her work. Sometimes they do not. But Lily learns something important. She learns that failure is not something to fear. Failure is a teacher. Every mistake helps you grow. Every no brings you closer to yes. She learns that the only real failure is never trying at all. Regret is more painful than failure. Most importantly, Lily learns that being brave doesn't mean having no fear. Being brave means doing something even when you are afraid. Now, Lily's paintings hang in her school. She even sells some paintings online. She is not famous yet, but she is happy because she chose courage over fear. Remember, everyone is afraid of failure, but successful people try anyway. Do not let fear stop you from sharing your gifts with the world. You might fail, but you might also succeed. You will never know unless you try.